Hello everyone, hope this video gets you doing well. Here we are. It's called an apiary. Oh my god, I've just seen a snake. A snake may be a pest. Yeah, you can find it harvesting honey. But we're not going to go close to the beehives. Let's take a view from this side. It's an apiary. By the way, have you ever heard of externalities? This is one of the positive externalities. Positive, how? These bees from here will go to the neighborhood or to the gardens of the neighbors and do what we call pollination. And you know what comes after pollination? Yeah, that's when you'll see us, these flowers, being productive, producing food, fruiting. Yeah, but this activity is also good and productive. You can add millions and billions of money from this. By the way, make some research about propolis. You'll thank me later. So venture in bee farming or apiculture. Thank you very much. I love you all. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.